Ladies and gentlemen, the Supreme Court of Florida, please be seated.
Good morning. Welcome to Florida Supreme Court. The first case on the docket is the reprimand of Judge Victoria L. Griffin. Judge Griffin, if you step up to the podium, please. Judge Griffin, your appearance before the court today marks a sad occasion. Sad for you, sad for us, but saddest of all for the public we serve. The effectiveness of our judiciary ultimately rests on the trust and confidence reposed in judges by the people. You are here today as a result of ethical failures that have damaged this public trust and confidence. No one can undo what you have done, but we have commanded you to appear before us to be publicly reprimanded on live television broadcast throughout the state. This is not a task that we enjoy. It is not a task that I enjoy. But certainly it is one that we, as a court, regard as vitally necessary. It is one way we can at least assure the public that we take this matter very, very seriously. We will not hesitate to punish judges such as you in a most public way over misconduct such as this. You have been found guilty of violating canons 1, 2, and 7 of the Code of Judicial Conduct. The charges filed against you arose from events at the inception of your campaign for election as judge. When you opened your campaign account, you loaned money to that account contrary to Florida law. In your stipulation with the Judicial Qualifications Commission, you agreed and admitted that the loan was unlawful under portions of Chapter 106 of Florida statutes. Specifically, at the time in question, you had failed to file the necessary qualifying paperwork with the qualifying officer as required by law. To your credit, you also have acknowledged in your stipulation with the Judicial Qualifications Commission that this misconduct never should have occurred and that you have accepted full responsibility for it. Judge Griffin, you as a judge have a responsibility to the people of Florida and to your fellow judges to conduct yourself in a manner that encourages confidence and respect in the legal system. This court is steadfastly committed to maintaining and increasing public trust and confidence in the judiciary. We will not tolerate acts of judicial conduct that erode that trust. If the people who are served by the judicial system do not have confidence in and respect for the judges, then the people will not have confidence in and respect for the judgment of the courts and the judicial system. Your failure to adhere to Florida law in your election campaign undermines public trust and confidence in our judicial system. Finally, Judge Griffin, we encourage you to review the prior disciplinary cases this court from time to time has been required to address. You will find in these cases that we have consistently held that a single breach of ethics comparable to your own may itself only be worthy of a public reprimand. By our actions here today, we admonish you to correct whatever may have caused you to commit this single breach. But we advise you to remember what our prior cases have consistently held. A second ethical breach by a judge will be viewed far more harshly. Your public reprimand is concluded and you may leave.